Hi, this is Charmin here. In this video, I'm going to teach you biology, that is firmness and locomotion. Firmness and locomotion. So this is the second video. You can check my first video. So in this video, I'm going to give you some question answer, that is creative questions. Number one, 12 years old Binita. Binita is a girl, 12 years girl, is healthy and restless. She spends most of the daytime running and playing. One day while she was running, she fell down and the ligaments of her leg were injured. So what is bone? Here is the number one question. What is bone? What do you mean by arthritis? Explain why the injured part of Binita's body can be compared with a hinge. So we'll go through one by one. First one, that is very easy. What is bone? So if you see my previous video, then you can get some idea what is bone. So bone is a modified form of connective tissue. Is the hardest tissue of the body, and bones are mainly composed of different compounds like phosphorus, potassium and calcium. So these kind of components you can find where? That is, you can find bone. This is a bone. Alright, let's go next question. Next question, explain why the injured part of Binita's body can be compared with a hinge. So Binita's body you need to compare with hinge. So it's a composed of the combination of white and yellow fibers. White and yellow fiber, but number of elastic yellow fibers is excessive. So branch network elastic fiber remain scattered in this kind of tissue. So fibers stay separately instead of staying in bundles. So if you see here, here is a bone here, bone joint. So this is a bone here. Here is a ball and socket joint here. This is a ball and socket joint. Hinge joint. This is a hinge joint. This side. So there are fibroblast cell in the fibers. What kind of cells? That is fibroblast. You must remember that. So as a hinge attaches the door with its frame, the same way tendon and ligament are firmly attached to the bones. So the organ can bend and stretch and move, and a bone are not dislocated and separated. So whenever you need to work, you need to run, you need to do. So this that is the way you can do it, that it can help you. This side, this is a joint. Here is a different type of tissue, different type of cells, elastic fibers here, that is help you to move. Next question. What type of coordination is necessary to carry out activities done by Binita? So you need to analyze. So this is a tendon, guys, and this is a ligament. Alright, this is a ligament. So Binita likes to run and play. For this, coordination is necessary between bones and muscles. So this is bones and tendon. This is attached with bone with muscle. This is a muscle, okay, and this is a bone here. This side is a bone. So muscles and bones perform important role in locomotion. That means whenever you need to move, your muscles and bones are very important part, and skeleton constitutes the structure of the body, and muscular system makes the covering the structure, and voluntary muscles remain attached with the bones by a strong elastic part named a tendon. This is a named is tendon. So muscles contraction is the result of nerve impulses. With the withdrawal of impulse, the muscles again stretch or relax. This contraction and relaxation of muscles attach with the bones and help in movement. So let's go next question. Here is all the answer here. Here is a one answer I didn't give. This is B number, that is, what do you mean by arthritis? So arthritis is a type of disease, that is rheumatic disease. Prolonged suffering at rheumatic fever and are not treated proper may have possibility of being attacked this disease. And already given all the answer, this is only one disease is left. Next question, what is a tendon? So tendon, that is the dense white fibers. This is a tendon, guys. You see the properly very clear picture. Is very important to see the picture. You draw the picture, color it, it can help you. Is a connective tissue that joins muscles to bones. It's join muscles to, here is a muscle and here is a bone. So join bones to muscle, that is tendon. So here is a question, what is tendon? That is done. Here is the osteoporosis. What is osteoporosis, and explain why. Osteoporosis is one kind of disease, that is the calcium deficiency disease. And number C, that is explain why the cell structure X. So this is a X, this is X. So explain why the cell structure X is different. How does coordination of X and Y plays a role in movement? Analyze it. So this is a Y. So what's the function it has? So number C, that is bone is the modified form of connective tissue which forms the skeleton of human, and its structure is very hard, and figure X indicates bone. Yes, of course. And matrix is composed by organic substance which is hard and brittle. So the bone cells remain scattered within the, where is it? That is matrix. So these bone cells are called osteoblast. You must remember that. These bone cells are called osteoblast, and these are branched and look like a spider, and living bone cells contains 40% organic and 60% inorganic substance. For this reason, formation of bone cell is different from other cell. So another answer, that is D number. How does coordination between X and Y, this is X and this is a Y, plays a role in movement? So the figure X indicate bone, yes, we know that, that is already given, and Y indicates cartilage. Y indicates cartilage. Bone joint is formed by joining two bones. Bones are attached to each other by a thin cloth like soft but strong elastic band like structure. So these are ligaments. At the bone joint, some synovial fluid, here is a what kind of fluid? Synovial fluid and cartilage. So X, that is the tie bones, create friction between them, and those loss occurs in bone. So as a result, less energy is required for moving bone joint. On the other hand, bones of bone joint are attached with voluntary muscles. What's the muscle? That is voluntary muscles by a substance named tendon. So if nervous excitement is fluid in the muscle, then contraction, relaxation of muscle occur. As a result, nerve also move. For this reason, bones and cartilage plays an important role in body movement. Yes, that is the main thing. So that is the last question. Yes. Here is a one question left, that is osteoporosis. So osteoporosis is a bone related disease. Generally older male and female suffer from this disease, and males who are taking medicine, what's the medicine? That is steroid. And females after menopause, that means whenever they are getting older, and who lead lazy life, do less physical labor, and are suffering from arthritis, have the chance of being attached this type of this this disease. What's the disease name? That is osteoporosis. So guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with another new video. And keep watching and keep practicing. Draw a diagram and label it. It can help you guys to understand and remember. Otherwise biology will be challenging for you. Thank you so much, and good luck your biology test.